Every avocado tree you've ever seen started life inside a piece of fruit, as this seed sitting right at the center. It looks like it's just along for the ride, but it's actually a fully formed embryo waiting for the right conditions. Left alone in warm, damp soil, the seed splits at the base first and sends a root downward before anything appears above ground. It can take weeks before you see any sign of life. The real work is happening out of sight. Once the shoot breaks the surface, the seed keeps feeding the young plant for a while longer, shrinking as it hands over its stored energy. The first leaves are small and soft, nothing like the tree's mature foliage yet. For the first few years, an avocado tree is just building itself, growing taller, thickening its trunk, branching out. There's no fruit yet. This stage is entirely about establishing a strong structure to support what comes later. When the tree is mature enough, usually around 3 to 4 years in, it produces thousands of small flowers. Each flower opens twice, first as female, then later as male, which is the tree's own way of encouraging cross-pollination. Out of all those flowers, only a small fraction actually become fruit. These fruits take a long time to mature, often hanging on the branch for 6 months or more before they're ready. And even then, an avocado won't truly ripen until after it has been picked. Given the right climate, an avocado tree can keep producing fruit for decades, sometimes stretching well past 50 years. That single seed from the start can end up feeding a family or a whole orchard for generations. Trees across the world follows journeys like this every week. How trees grow, what they need, and the quiet processes most of us never get to see. Next time you scoop the seed out of an avocado, you're holding the entire beginning of that whole journey in your hand.